Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The BEASTCOM M.2 is a desktop computer designed to bridge the gap between a standard office workstation and an entry-level gaming machine. It arrives as a pre-built tower solution that aims to provide a reliable experience for users who need a machine capable of handling daily productivity tasks while offering enough graphical power for casual entertainment. At its core, the system is built around an integrated processing architecture which eliminates the need for a separate bulky graphics card while still maintaining a level of visual performance that exceeds standard office computers. This specific model is marketed as a versatile unit that functions as a gaming office console, which suggests it is meant to sit comfortably in a variety of environments, from a dedicated study to a living room setup. The inclusion of a modern operating system and a suite of capable hardware components makes it a ready-to-use option for those who prefer to avoid the complexities of building a custom PC from scratch. The computer is positioned as a high-value choice for those who want a balanced set of specifications without the premium price tag associated with high-end enthusiast hardware. Looking at the build and the physical design of the machine, the BEASTCOM M.2 utilizes a standard tower chassis that provides ample room for internal airflow and future modifications. While many budget-focused pre-built systems often cut corners on the power supply, this unit includes a 500-watt 80+ rated power supply unit. This rating is significant because it indicates a level of energy efficiency that ensures less power is wasted as heat, which can lead to a longer lifespan for the internal components. The choice of a 500-watt unit also provides a bit of a safety net for users who might want to add a dedicated low-power graphics card or additional storage drives later on. Connectivity is another focal point of the design, as the system comes equipped with integrated Wi-Fi capabilities. This allows the computer to be placed in areas where a wired Ethernet connection might not be easily accessible, which is a common requirement for home offices or student dormitories. The overall aesthetic is functional and understated, which allows it to blend into professional environments without drawing the kind of attention that more aggressive gaming designs often do. The internal layout is organized to allow for easy access to the memory slots and storage bays, which is a helpful feature for long-term maintenance. When it comes to how the computer performs, the primary driver is the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G processor. This is an accelerated processing unit, which means it combines a traditional central processing unit with a graphics processing unit on a single chip. The 3400G features 4 cores and 8 threads, which provides a solid foundation for multitasking and general computing. Because it uses Vega graphics, the system is capable of handling high-definition video playback and can even support 4K output for media consumption. In terms of actual gaming performance, the integrated Vega graphics are well suited for popular titles that are not overly demanding on hardware. This includes games like League of Legends, Counter-Strike, or Minecraft, where the system can maintain smooth frame rates at standard resolutions. The performance is further supported by 16 GB of random access memory, which is a generous amount for a system in this price bracket. Having 16 GB of RAM means the computer can handle dozens of open browser tabs while running background applications like music players or communication tools without experiencing significant slowdowns. This is particularly important for modern web browsing and productivity software, which have become increasingly memory-intensive over the years. The integrated nature of the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G represents a shift in how entry-level computers are designed. In the past, using a computer without a dedicated graphics card often meant a very poor experience for anything involving visuals. However, the Vega graphics architecture built into this processor changed that dynamic by allowing for smooth high-definition playback and a respectable gaming experience on a single chip. This efficiency is why the machine can remain relatively cool and quiet compared to larger systems that require multiple fans to cool a dedicated graphics card. This makes the computer a great fit for quiet environments like libraries or shared home offices where loud fan noise can be a distraction. Furthermore, the motherboard and internal layout are designed to maximize the potential of this processing unit, ensuring that the 16 GB of RAM can be accessed quickly by both the CPU and the integrated GPU. This shared memory pool is a key reason why the system feels so fluid when switching between different types of tasks. Storage performance is handled by a 512GB M.2 NVMe solid-state drive. Unlike older traditional hard drives or even standard SATA-based solid-state drives, NVMe technology offers significantly faster data transfer speeds. This results in nearly instantaneous boot times for the operating system and much faster loading screens when launching applications or games. The 512GB capacity offers a reasonable balance between speed and storage space, allowing for the installation of a primary operating system, several large applications, and a modest library of games or media files. This speed matters because it reduces the friction of daily use, making the entire system feel responsive and snappy regardless of whether the user is editing a document or browsing through a large collection of photos. The combination of the Ryzen processor, 16GB of RAM, and the NVMe storage creates a balanced internal ecosystem where no single component acts as a major bottleneck for general use cases. The BEASTCOM M.2 is best suited for a specific demographic of users who prioritize value and versatility over raw high-end power. It is an ideal choice for students who need a reliable computer for schoolwork, research, and light creative projects, but who also want to play games during their downtime. Because it functions well as an office machine, it is also a strong candidate for home workers who require a stable desktop that can handle video conferencing, spreadsheets, and database management without stuttering. The compact nature of the integrated graphics setup also makes it a viable option for those looking for a media center PC for the living room, where it can serve as a hub for streaming 4K content and light local gaming. It appeals to people who want a straightforward experience where they can plug the machine in and start working immediately without worrying about compatibility issues or complex setup procedures. For those who are just entering the world of PC gaming, this system serves as an affordable entry point that offers a clear path for future upgrades if their needs eventually grow. In a broader context, this desktop represents a practical approach to modern computing where efficiency and multi-purpose utility are the main goals. While it may not compete with high-end gaming rigs that cost thousands of dollars, it provides a consistent and capable experience for the majority of common tasks. The price point, which sits at approximately $580 at the time of writing, makes it an accessible option for budget-conscious buyers. It is important to recognize that while the system is marketed with gaming in mind, it is firmly rooted in the entry-level category. Users looking to play the latest AAA titles at maximum settings will find the integrated graphics limiting, but for the vast majority of users who engage in web browsing, office work, and casual gaming, the performance is more than adequate. It is a well-rounded machine that focuses on providing the essentials, including high-speed storage and plenty of memory, which are the features that most impact the day-to-day user experience. Ultimately, the BEASTCOM M.2 succeeds by being a dependable general-purpose tool. It takes the guesswork out of choosing components by offering a configuration that balances processing power with storage speed and memory capacity. The inclusion of a high-quality power supply and Wi-Fi connectivity adds a layer of convenience and reliability that is often missing from other budget towers. It serves as a reminder that a computer does not need the most expensive parts on the market to be a highly effective and useful device. Whether it is being used to manage a small business, complete a university degree, or enjoy a few hours of gaming on the weekend, this desktop provides a stable platform that meets a wide range of needs. It is a grounded and matter-of-fact solution for anyone who needs a modern PC that performs well across the board without breaking the bank. By focusing on a solid core of components and a functional design, the system offers a trustworthy option in a crowded market of pre-built computers. It is a versatile tower that understands its role as a reliable partner for both work and play. The balance between its approximately $580 price and its functional capabilities makes it a noteworthy contender for those seeking a practical computing solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.